Today we will explain how to buy shares of Domino's Pizza Group PLC, listed on the LSE under the ticker DOM.L. Domino's operates pizza delivery and retail outlets. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker .L to locate Domino's Pizza Group PLC. Make sure you select the LSE listing to find the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading. Double-check the company name, market, and ticker .L to confirm this is the right stock. Click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next open, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the order. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, a link to eToro is available in the video description if you want to explore the platform.